POV, it's your first bus trip. You've booked the ticket, but now you're thinking, wait, where do I sit? What do I carry? What if I mess this up? Relax. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to book, prep, and travel smart for your first bus journey using just one app. Let's be real. Every travel mode has its own moment. Flights are best when you're short on time. Trains, great for long scenic journey. And buses, surprisingly the most flexible option. And that flexibility is a game changer. Especially when you're planning last minute trips, you want multiple departure options, or you're planning to travel between nearby cities. For example, for a Delhi to Jaipur trip, you'll find buses across different timings, price points, and seat types. From budget-friendly buses to super comfortable sleepers. Think of buses as your choose-your-own-comfort travel mode. Now comes the important part, booking it right. Step 1. Open Paytm Travel, link in description. It has a super clean interface, no confusion, no clutter. Step 2. Enter route and date. Select your route, let's say Delhi to Jaipur, pick your dates, and hit search. Within seconds, you'll get multiple options. Step 3. Use filters like a pro. This is where most people mess up. Don't just pick the first bus. Instead, filter by bus type, whether you want an AC sleeper or AC seater. Timings, usually overnight buses are great to save time and hotel costs. Or simply select Paytm Assured to get more reliable options. Step 4. Check bus details. Don't skip this. Before booking, quickly scan for charging points, blanket availability, boarding point clarity, and live tracking. This 10-second scan is equals to no surprises later. Step 5. Seat selection equals your comfort hack. Your seats can make or break your trip. Upper berth, more privacy, less disturbance. Lower berth, easier accessibility. Window, great for views, and aisle with easier movement. Pro tip, if it's overnight, go for the upper berth plus window option. Step 6. Offers and savings. Before checkout, always check for offers. On Paytm Travel, you'll often find instant discounts. Small step, real savings. Step 7. Pay and done. No hidden charges. What you see is what you pay. Your tickets get instantly delivered via app, SMS, or your mail. Okay, quick one. You, a window seat, and good music. Where are you heading? Comment below, I'm curious. Now let's make sure you don't overpack or forget your essentials. Here's a list of must-haves. Number 1. Having a valid ID. Your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or driver's license. You need this to board. No valid ID, no traveling. Keep a photocopy in your bag too. Number 2. Charging cable and a power bank. Trust me that one charging point will have a queue. Bring backup. Number 3. Water bottle. Buses stop every 3 to 4 hours, but staying hydrated matters. You can refill at rest stops. Number 4. Snacks. Rest stop food is a hit or miss, so carry your light snacks like biscuits, nuts, or fruits. Number 5. Earphones plus downloaded content. Unless you plan on sleeping the entire journey, I highly recommend downloading your Netflix shows, music, or podcasts before you leave. Number 6. A light jacket or a shawl. AC buses can get cold at night, even during summers. Don't underestimate this. Some buses do provide blankets, but be sure to check that beforehand. Number 7. Hand sanitizers plus wet wipes. Honestly, speaks for itself. Avoid carrying heavy luggage, too many valuables, or strong smelling food. The rule is pack light, travel smarter. Alright, you're on the bus. Now let's make this ride actually comfortable. Boarding. Try to arrive at least 15 minutes early. It just makes the entire process stress-free. Quickly confirm your seats with the conductor, settle in, and store your luggage overhead or under your seat. Just don't leave it on the aisle. No one wants to trip over your luggage. Rest stops. Most buses stop 2 to 3 times for quick breaks, usually between 10 to 15 minutes. Here's a small but important hack. Set an alarm on your phone before you get off, because trust me, getting left behind at 2 a.m. is a story you do not want to tell. Safety basics. Keep your essential, phone, wallet, and ticket close to you, not buried inside your bag. If your seat has a seatbelt, use it. And if anything feels off, you always have access to support details on your ticket. Simple habits, big peace of mind. Sleep hacks. Game changer. If you're planning to sleep, do it right. Number 1, bring a neck pillow or roll up your jacket. Number 2, keep your bag near your feet for added support. And number 3, if you're sensitive to noise, then play some white noise or calming music. Small tweaks equals to much better sleep. If this is helping you plan your first trip, hit subscribe. We share smart travel tips like this every week. Now let's quickly break down what this trip actually costs. Your bus tickets will cost you between 500 to 800, water bottle and snacks between 100 and 150 rupees. So your total comes to around 600 to 950. And the best part, you get added comfort, flexibility, and multiple options all in one place. And that's it, your complete beginner's guide to bus travel. Let's do a quick recap. Book smart, choose the right seat, pack only what you need, and travel stress-free. Ready for your first trip? Download Paytm Travel, link in description, and book your buses in minutes. And hey, if this helped, like this, drop your questions below and subscribe for more smart travel hacks. See you on your next trip.